Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Priyanka Chabra, and today we are going to discuss not any topic related to chemistry or that kind of stuff. You guys also must be wondering that it's a chemistry oriented channel, but today we are going to discuss something really important for the students as well as for the professionals and for everyone. How you can develop गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स हाउ यू कैन एनरिच इट ओके तो आज मैं इसकी बात करूँगी बिकॉज हैविंग अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट and I observe so many people around me or my friends. They are highly skilled, they are highly knowledgeable, but they lag somehow in this thing, and the other people takes an edge over it because no matter how much you are loaded with the knowledge, if you are not able to express that knowledge or express your opinions, then it's just futile. So it's the need of this present era बहुत ज़्यादा required है. In the school time we'll not realize much when we are students or when we are kids, but once we go into college we'll start realizing, and once we'll go for jobs and we enter into the whether the academia sector or the professional career, like you if you go into the corporate sector, then it's highly required. So this is something which makes you more confident. Sorry for the background noise, if any. It is raining today, so it must be because of that. So today I'm gonna discuss some extremely important tips and my journey, how I worked on it. Okay, कैसे मैंने उस चीज़ पे work किया, improve किया. तो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो definitely आप भी कर सकते हो, because that's something that really worked for me. So my journey was like, I'm sharing my personal experience. When I was in school, probably in sixth or seventh grade, I used to be a very shy kid. Okay, when teacher used to ask some question, then I never used to answer that, just because I had that fear and hesitation to face the class, to speak in front of a teacher and students. So how I worked on it, I just observed the atmosphere, the aura around me. I just observe my friends that if they can speak at that point of time so fluently and so eloquently, then मैं भी तो किसी से कम नहीं हूँ. Even I can also do. So what is that thing that I should work on? So slowly, steadily, what I did, I started participating in various of the poetry recitations or declamation debates, anything that comes at that, any opportunity that comes within, I just go for it. Okay, so that's something जो बहुत important है. If you get any chance to do that thing, public speaking is something which sheds the fear that is inside you and makes you much more confident, because when you are facing so much audience, so many people, then it gives you a sense of confidence in yourself that yes, you can speak. So I used to participate in every sort of thing, hosting, stage conducting, anchorings. So if you get any sort of that opportunity in your life, you should definitely go for it. Okay, so number one thing that I'm going to discuss is the self practice. Just spare 5 minutes from a 24 hours day, stand in front of a mirror and start speaking to yourself. You'll get to know yourself better, firstly, and then just observe the eye contact you have while speaking. Just observe in the mirror and your facial expressions, your demeanor, because from there only you will be able to learn a lot. Okay, so the other thing is, of course, reading articles, reading newspapers, they work a lot in enhancing your vocabulary. So I'll share one thing. When I was in my 12th standard, so I was preparing for the board examinations. तो जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब थक जाती थी पढ़ के और ये सब चीज़ें, क्योंकि उस टाइम बहुत स्ट्रेस होता था हर चीज़ का, आगे का भी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बोर्ड्स हैं, कंपटीशन है, तो इन सब चीज़ों को कैसे डील करना है, तो उसमें मैं थोड़ा सा जब भी रिलैक्स करने के लिए माइंड को, व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू, क्योंकि 12th में इंग्लिश भी एज अ सब्जेक्ट तो होता ही है, सो वी हैव टू राइट इन अ वेरी गुड लैंग्वेज. तो उसके लिए व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू, मेरे को कहीं से भी कुछ पढ़ने को मिलता था, आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड मेंटेनिंग अ डायरी. आई started noting down the good words which I get to know from somewhere. ठीक है, and I just started using it in my writing as well, मतलब for the examination point of view. So two purposes just got solved from here. एक तो यही था, and दूसरा कि वो चीज़ मतलब मेरे को अब तक काम आ रही है. So that's something which really works. Then when I went to the college, okay, I met my friends. So from them also I learned a lot of things. So this is something which you learn from the aura, the arena around you. So, what I used to do if I have learned some new things from my friends or the people around me, or if I've read something, then I used to note it in my diary. And then, what I used to do, I always had a habit of using it, of applying it in some way or the other way in my conversation while speaking to people. So, so many times my friends used to make fun of me and they used to call me by the name of dictionary. बट इट रियली वर्क्स. मतलब उससे दो फ़ायदे होते हैं. एक तो जो आपने सीखा है वो आपकी मेमोरी में आ जाता है, मतलब आप इजीली उसको मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं, एंड आपको उसको अप्लाई करने का एक तरीका पता लग जाता है. बट वोकैबुलरी इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू नो ईजी वर्ड्स दैट डजेंट मैटर, यू नो, फॉर द कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट. इट truly doesn't matter because it's just the speaking part on which you have to work. So the other tip or suggestion which I would like to mention is following the Hollywood movies and web series. This is something which I never used to believe in. मुझे भी लगता था कि यार ये कुछ नहीं होता, it's just a waste of time, but it actually works. It actually works in enhancing and enriching your communication part. It truly works. So just pick up any good content series or movie of any genre which you are, you know, interested in. It could be your comedy, friendship, anything like that, suspense, which you like. So just start following it, start watching it, and what you have to do is observation. Just observe their accent, how they are speaking. So initially you won't understand anything if you are new to this thing. So just go by the subtitles, and after a point of time you will slowly steadily learn, because it you know happens automatically. So one of the series which I followed, my brother recommended, it's a comedy series, Impractical Jokers. So you know I just started following that, and from there I learned, while talking to your friends, the responses which you can give in a witty and a funny manner, how you can do that. So that is something which you can learn from there. So it, you know, do works. So these are only the some kind of suggestions. बाकी तो है जो भी है, that comes with the practice only. But आपको just कभी hesitate नहीं करना है. No matter आप कैसे बोल रहे हैं, just speak up. Okay, आप इस पर work करिए, and this would truly be very beneficial for you, because in the upcoming time, if you are in your school days, when you go into college, then आपको some way or the other कभी presentations देनी होगी या ये सब चीज़ें करनी पड़ेंगी. If you go in your higher level, तो आपको thesis और ये सब लिखना होता है, and then in the jobs as well. So having this particular part strong is really really important. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, because this was not only for the board preparation or for the JEE NEET thing. It is for everyone. This would I hope you found it beneficial, because I just wanted to share something that I feel like I can do and I'm good at it, and I have learned through that. So I just wanted to share with you all that how you can work on it. So if you liked it, then just give the thumbs up to it, okay, and subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more videos besides chemistry as well in the upcoming days. So just take care of yourself, stay home, stay healthy, and just keep practicing. This is something which is really gonna work and really be beneficial to every one of you. So thank you once again. Bye bye and take care. Bye.